I get so excited, I wet my plants. What do we think of the new backdrop? I thought I would try and sit over here today. Usually I'm sat over there, in the corner over there. But as I've made the new cable reel table, I thought we'd try it out over here. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant haul for you today. And today's haul is going to be a house plant haul as well as some outdoor plants that I bought for the roof garden. I was hoping to do a car boot sale haul for you today, but I got to the car boot sale and it was closed already, as you may have seen in that very short video that I uploaded regardless. So I'm back today with a plant haul. Before we get going, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Right then, the first one that I'm going to show you is an outdoor plant. This on the label, this is from Lidl by the way, and it says Stauden Biedenfreude. Sorry, my German's not very good. It basically means friend of the bee. So this whole range is friends for our bees. It's very important obviously to keep the bees going, keep the bees alive. We want to save the bees. So this is going to be going out on the roof garden. It's got these really pretty purpley flowers all over it, great for bees. And this is called a Lythrum or Lythrum, I think. There you go. So it comes in quite a big pot. And I'll just tell you the care instructions because I know we like those. So this is in full sunshine or part sunshine. You can pop it outdoors, keep it watered, and it is not edible. I'm not going to do the knives and forks jokes anymore because it's just not funny. Okay, so that's the first thing that I bought. They also had some other ones. They had like the buddleia, and they also had some lavenders and things. So some really, really nice plants for your garden to encourage the bees along. And you may remember in one of my recent homeware hauls, I've got the bee house. So I'm hoping to encourage them so they can move into the concrete bee house. And by the way, the roof terrace makeover is coming soon. We've had rain all this weekend, so it was a bit of a washout. There's a couple of little jobs out there, but it is coming soon. So thank you for being so patient with that. I got a whole lot of these hebes. These are small little bedding plants. They've got really nice tiny little leaves on them. Really, really sweet. And this one is called Green Globe. It just says to keep it in sunshine or part sunshine, keep it watered, and it's not edible. And these were £1.39 each, or 2 for £2. So I got 2 of these. I'm going to put in a container together. I'll probably have them separated with some other ones in between. I got 2 of these. This one's called a Hebe toparia, or toparia. And this one has got really nice little leaves on it as well, and nice colouring. So I got 2 of those. I got this one, which is Hebe odora, and it says New Zealand. And I got 2 of those as well. Really, really nice. And I got 2 of this one, which is called Hebe cupressoides. Cupressoides. I never know if I'm saying these correctly, but yeah. Hopefully you get the idea. So I've got 2 of those as well. So those I'm going to plant up in some window boxes outside. I've got some window boxes that I emptied out because some of the heather that I had in those has died. So I'll be planting those up for the garden up on the roof. And now I've got some indoor plants to show you. I'm so excited about these. I just couldn't believe it when I saw these in Lidl. They're so, so cool. Take a look at this. This is the first one that I got. So they come in these ceramic containers, and they've all been designed to look like vintage tins. So this one's in what is meant to be like an olive oil tin, which I just think looks really, really cool. And the plant itself is really nice, really good for £3.49. This one is called a Bocania recavata, and that is known more commonly as the elephant foot. And it says for this one, keep it in part daylight or full daylight, but you don't want it in the cloudiness. And temperatures ranging from 10 degrees all the way up to 30 degrees, so it should do really well in a variety of indoor temperatures. And it does like to be watered a little bit. It's got the sign of the watering can with 1 drop instead of 3 drops. So a drop of water every now and then, I think, for this one. But how cool is that? I just think the container is fantastic. So they had a few of these in the range, so I went for one of each of the containers. And of course, if you're in store, you can always swap the plants around depending on what container that you fancy. There's no harm in doing that because they're all the same. And this one is in a tomato soup tin design. And this one's got 2 tags on it, right? I don't think it's the elephant's foot, so it must be, that's wrong. This one must be a Monodenium richi. Yes, I've probably said that completely wrong. This one likes part sunshine or full sunshine. It likes between 15 and 30 degrees, so a little bit warmer. This one is a bit more like a cacti, I guess, and it's got the top which makes it look a bit like a little baby palm tree, which is really, really cool. And it likes to have 1 or 2 drops of water, it's saying, so I think a bit more water can go in here every now and then. I'll let you know how this one gets on. This one is a Sansevieria. I think I have one of these already, a little bit bigger. Really, really nice. And this one likes all conditions. This one can be in a bit more cloudy conditions, all the way up to full sunshine, between 15 and 30 degrees. And this one likes 1 drop of water, which means don't water it too much. I think with all plants, you don't want to water them too much. Always check the roots and make sure that they're not sitting in a well of water inside their pot. But yeah, that one is really cool, and I like the navy blue colour on that. And this is the last one that I've got to show you. What's on the pot of this? Oh, this is a flower bag or flower tin of flour. You don't really get tins of flour, do you? So I guess they've just taken what would have been a pot of flour and taken the design from that. And this is Dragon's Fingers, also known as Sansevieria cylindrica. And I've got one of these already that's doing quite well. And do you remember the one that I saw in the spider plant shop in Brighton? How nice that one was, and it had grown huge. So fingers crossed, these might grow really big, but it looks great already. This one likes from cloud all the way to full sunshine, and it likes 15 to 30 degrees and just a drop of water every now and then. So I've got all 4 of these in the collection. They were from Lidl, as I say, and they were £3.49 each, which I think is really good. They may well still be in store, and I did see in the Lidl magazine they've got lots more plants coming up, so if you want to pop in, usually on a Thursday or a Sunday, their new plants come in, so it's worth having a look, and you can always check out their website to see which ones are on the way. So that is everything. I hope you're having a really good week so far. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any care tips for any of these plants and which one was your favourite. I've got lots more videos coming up for you this week, so do hit subscribe if you're new here to keep up to date with all of my videos, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, I want to say a massive thank you. I've just reached 4,000 subscribers on here, which really means a lot to me. I really appreciate every single one of you that has clicked that subscribe button and has been leaving me comments or pressing the thumbs up. It really does mean a lot, so thank you so much for that. Oh, and if any of you have made any of my terrarium DIYs, please don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I would love to see how you've got on with them. If you haven't seen that video already, I will link it down below for you. So there's this one that you can make, which is the lantern one. All this stuff came from Poundland, by the way, and it just took a bit of spray paint and a few extra bits to make. It was really quite straightforward. So there's that one that you can try. There's also the hanging one in the light bulb as well, that's just big enough to fit a cacti in it as well. And I'm not sure where the other one is, but that one is made out of an old cake tin. So yeah, 3 very simple DIYs for you. If you fancy having a go, do tag me in your pictures. And then what I'll do is I'll do some shout outs of those on here as well. And also I've got a quick shout out to do to Alana, who sent me a really sweet message on Instagram. So hello Alana from Ireland. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for your message on Instagram. That was really, really nice. So thank you, and thanks for watching my videos. I hope you're doing really, really well. Okay, so that's everything. Let me know what you think of the new backdrop. Shall I stay here? Shall I go back to the sofa in the corner? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you're up to this week as well. I hope you have a really brilliant week, whatever you're doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay. Can you... Oh, I've cropped my head off a bit, I think. Let's just wind you up a little bit. Is that better? The I is for Ewan, by the way. I know everyone calls me Mr. Carrington on here, but that's my other name, in case you're wondering. I'm sorry if you can hear the washing machine. Can you hear that? Let's carry on anyway. That's that's quite loud. Okay. Right. Oh, I really should have looked at the names first. Right, bear with me. Stowden, Bienen, Frunde. Oh, this is going to be a mouthful. Frunde. Bienen, Frunden. Stowden. Oh, it's. Oh wow, how do we say this? This is going to be a mouthful. This is a Focus, come on. I'm sorry if you can hear the washing machine. Also known as Sansevieria cylindrica. I think I've said Sansev. Right, thumbnail. Why is the flower the wrong? Hang on. Right, come on. Come on. Get around there.